First off, we absolutely crushed it. We said on live Benzinga the level to take AMC twice, even on TikTok. And this time on Benzinga's live show that we have Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. EST. Might not be this week because I am going on a trip again. I'll probably ask if there's any other slot we could go into. However, we called out the trade live. I'm going to show you on the YouTube channel. And let's get right into it. And I'm going to show you where you can potentially take AMC once again. However, there's a lot of factors now. The market has been coming down drastically. We actually also called this too if you check out our prior YouTube videos. If you have not done yet, hit subscribe and follow me on both these platforms. And join our Discord server. Link is in the description below, but let's get right into it. This video. Yeah, so that's me. But let's watch it.
Perfect. I think we are going to continue upwards from here. Wave 3 is usually the most explosive move in the Elliott wave count. So another potential entry point for AMC now is probably around this area. If we could get there. Obviously, everything is subject to change and depends on news, movement, etc. But as of right now, a potential entry is right here at this 58 to 56.70 level. I think that we should have a rebound going into there.
So now,
if everyone focused on AMC just tomorrow, they could crush the system. Oh man.
And I said, if it happens, make sure you subscribe and let's see what happened the day right after. On Friday, this is Friday, we hit the man, which was right here. Right here, we hit the man and we bounced for approximately 10% move. So if you caught that, congrats to you. But if you didn't catch the first one, you had another chance to do so, which was right here. We entered the man again and we bounced for approximately 5.76%. And I spoke on the show. If you haven't watched it, we're actually, before this video gets released, that video should be up on our channel too. But check it out. I explained supply and demand and why it's so important and why it always works. Well, it not always works, but why it works a lot of the time. And it has to do with facts. Technical analysis is based off of facts, based off of what people are doing. And from what you see people doing, you could potentially capture a trade from that. When I talk about people as the institutions that are capable of moving the price. AMC went into demand, which is where buyers are, and they scooped up shares there and it pushed the price back up. That's what happened. So again, you know, it might not sound like a lot, 10.21% and 5.76, but if you took options, and I know a lot of you guys are into options now, well, even equities. I used to only trade equities, but a 10% and a 5% move within one trade, and a quick one at that, is amazing. So I think AMC should be going higher from here. As of right now, I don't see, as of right now, I don't see much of another demand zone that we could potentially go long at because we're already so close and we just worked off of this. I do think AMC is going to continue higher after hitting that demand level, but the market looks, I mean, if you guys have, been watching the market, well, thank God it actually hit another demand zone. Hopefully it holds, but if this level doesn't hold, we're going to hit this, this is futures, ES1. We're going to hit this 412 and the 411 level. So be really careful. And if we break through that, the next level we have is 407 and 405. So be really careful. We did alert the group to this. We actually shorted futures right here. So this was approximately a 78 point move. And if any of you guys trade futures, a 78 point move, it's a $50 per point. So just do the multiplication. That's at least $3,500 per single ES slot. Obviously, I didn't, write the whole thing down, sadly. I didn't have that much conviction that it would actually drop that hard. But we're in a dangerous situation right now, and we dropped off on high volume. That's a scary part. Hopefully, we hold this demand zone. Right as of right now, look, you can see that it did pretty okay. But this was before after hours. And as you see with the after hours, it actually came down to the bottom of this level, but if we're able to hold this, expect us to retest this 419 level, which is very possible, especially with volatility. You know, this is only a approximately a 43 point move. So be cognizant of your trades. We are currently in puts and calls, and AMC calls as well. Like I said, I took it at demand, but things could change, and who knows, man. Just gotta trade carefully. If we do tank and go lower, the puts would definitely pay. Obviously, cover up some of the calls lost because my larger position is actually in calls after we hit that demand zone. But if we do go down, the puts should cover the calls because we took a closer expiration date and a further out the money one. So it should come back exponentially. Let's see what happens. But again, always trade with a plan in mind. As for callsorputs.com, actually, let me show you guys the Discord alerts first so that you guys see it. All right, so there's the Discord. If you're not in, it's free. Just join. If you want option alerts, obviously it's going to cost money. You can find that on our website, chancetrades.com. For the option sweep, you're going to go to callsorputs.com. Both links are in the bio below. But as you can see, our puts are already at 60%. AMC is already up 11.34, but it was actually up, I think, 16 at the end of the day. So we do provide alerts. You know, you get a 13% winner, 168% spy put. If I held this, man, this would have been crazy. I sold it in the morning after we got that initial dump, which was where I covered for my my futures short. But if I held that contract probably would have been close to 500-600 or even more. Actually, I think more. Just off the back of my head, if we're already 6 points down beneath 420, you know, this should at least, I'm thinking around 600 at the end of day, but before end of day, probably could have hit 800, 900%. So yeah, join us. And, you know, whoa. Going back to the charts. Callsorputs.com, that's what I was gonna do. So we got a golden spy put. These are probably hedges, they're further out. Who knows what the real intention is. Trading ETF, golden puts, or calls is not the best way to, you know, to analyze the market, just because there's huge players that hedge left and right. So, but another trade I'm looking at because of callsorputs.com is Fsly. So I really like Fsly. We got some golden calls for it. Seems like opening positions, and also the technicals look pretty solid. So check this out. Seems like we're in a consolidation phase. And I think if we could get to this 55.43 to 54.72 level, I'll probably take a position for a breakout to around the 63 level. Obviously, it's going to take time. That's an 18% move. So unless there's some sort of catalyst, I don't see it getting there. But we could definitely aim for this level right here, the 57, which is $2, a 5% move. That's still a lot of money on options trades. So check that out. And with that being said, happy Father's Day. And we do have a discount code going on right now for calls or puts and chancetrades.com. 30% off. Use code F30. It automatically ends at nighttime on Sunday, which should be the time that this video gets released. If you want to capture a discount before it gets announced on the videos, we announced this on Discord on Friday. So have a good one now, and take care.